Slayer has entered the facility.
Slayer, rise, feel the rage. Hell on earth, a blood-red stage. Demons fall by your fierce hand. Unyielding, you take a stand. Hell's fires burn, but you laugh. Blade and bullet, make the cuts in your eyes. A storm of death, ripping souls with every breath. Destruction, chaos, but you laugh. Blade and bullet, make the cuts in your eyes. A storm of death, ripping souls with every breath. Destruction, chaos, your command. Power flows like blood through sand. Demonic screams, silence fast. Slayer, first and last. Deathbound legions, hear them cry. You exist to make them die. No mercy, vengeance displays. Tear apart their wicked ways. Unholy cloud, bathed in gore. Scorches blind to savage lore. Through the darkness, always brave. A reaper from cradle to grave. Blood-soaked death, your brutal path. Doomslayer's eternal wrath. Earth's protector, hell's own bane. Unstoppable, you will reign. Destruction, chaos, your command. Power flows like blood through sand. Demonic screams, silence fast. Doomslayer, first and last. Doomslayer, first and last. Doomslayer, first and last.
So just make sure you mind your step.
Try and make it others. Harming yourself is no fun. Hey folks, it is that.
Thank you for your continued compliance.
You look amazing. Oh, I'm signing this. Okay.
Interesting fact about this gun.
Yeah.
So, I don't know if you played any of the Dead Space games back in the day.
I don't.
I love the designer that made these guns. In the new remake, you turn the pistol this way, this one.
He what?
You can turn this rail sideways.
Oh, light. Okay.
So, the guy who designed these originally had a signature on the bottom of his gun.
Yeah.
But you can't really see it. I have the camera in game underneath.
That is really cool.
So